Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. I have a great song for you guys. Really one of the better releases overall lately, in my opinion. Lord Huron, Life is Strange, and I can agree there. Life is strange sometimes. And yeah, I like this song because it has this melancholic vibe to it, and yeah, some calmness to it as well. And it's all very easy to play as well, so that is a plus. Now let's go into the tutorial, and as you can see here, we don't use any capo. We're gonna work with bar chords, 2 of them, and only 3 chords in total. Very simple. So let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with A. That's a bar on the 5th fret, and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6 on G. We choose the bar chord version because they're playing it, and we also like the higher note down there that fits this song perfectly. So that's the reason for having A as a bar. Next up is the C sharp minor, also a bar chord. So you place the index finger now on the 4th position. You don't have to push down the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And finally we have the E, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Now we're gonna look into the strumming now. It's used pretty much throughout the song, and we're gonna play this. Okay, so you're gonna start with 1 down, and then down up, and then up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up. That is 1 round, and a couple of rounds goes like this. And so on. Alright, so let's start with the song, and it actually goes with this chorus play to begin with. So we're gonna learn that first. You're gonna play 1 string around per chord. You're gonna play the order of A, then C sharp minor, then E, and then back to A. So that means this chord progression is about 4 chords, and it both starts and ends with A. So 1 round goes like this. Next round. Alright, so that's a chorus play, and then we're gonna learn the verse play. Let's drink, I believe that's where we are in the lyric, and we're gonna start that about 49 seconds in. And it's very, very simple, guys. You just hold that A chord and play that strumming for, I believe, 8 rounds. So a couple rounds. 3, 4. And you just continue like that for 8 rounds. So this is basically the song. You're gonna alternate the chorus play with this verse play on just playing that A strumming. And then later on, about 1 minute and 59 seconds in, comes the bridge part. How do I get over you? That's where we're on a lyric, and it comes right after the 3rd chorus. So what you're gonna play there is A, but now you play 8 downs. Then you go over to E and play 2 strum rounds. And you again play 8 downs on the A, and then E, 2 strum rounds. And then you finish off with the A, 8 downs. And that's it for the bridge. So you're gonna alternate that A, 8 downs, and E, 2 string rounds for 2 times and then finish up with A 8 times again, and then you go back into the chorus playing. Play that beautiful A, C sharp minor, E, and A with strumming till the very end. And that, my friends, is how I handle this cool song from Lord Huron, Life is Strange. Very strange sometimes. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and if it was helpful, then I would appreciate something back here. So give me a like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Interact with me, and be back here for next upload. Till then, play tuned.